Hello from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. This is the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Monday, May 17th. This week we can expect potential for some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. On Tuesday you have less of a thunderstorm threat, but it will be windy. And as we head into the latter part of the week, we have cooler weather on the way. May even see some snow up in the central mountains. So taking a look at our current satellite, a couple of weather systems we're keeping an eye on right now. This low pressure down over southern Utah, northern Arizona, drawing up a little bit of moisture, and a lot of that moisture starting to dissipate as we head into the early morning hours this morning. May just see some lingering clouds and potential maybe for some thunderstorms down here around the Bear Lake area. But our next weather system, a little bit off the coast yet. Out ahead of that is a cold front, and that's what's going to be pushing through us tomorrow. We'll be seeing that come on through and giving us some winds. So our weather impact overview here, just some thunderstorms most of the week. And as we get into Tuesday, we can see the Snake Plain, the Magic Valley, probably seeing a little bit of wind developing on that day. And late in the week, again, more thunderstorms across the area, maybe even seeing some mountain snow. Particularly Thursday evening, Wood River Valley, the Sawtooth area, in Lemhi County. So maybe see a couple of inches of snow up there. Taking a look at today's weather map. Chance of some of these showers and thunderstorms, particularly over the southeastern highlands, maybe even approaching the Sun Valley area. But overall, the rest of the region looks pretty clear, pretty calm. Further upstream, we can see that front is starting to push in towards the coastal regions there of Washington and Oregon. By tomorrow, that front will have made its way into central Idaho, and that will be not really too much. We're not going to see too much precipitation or thunderstorms with that, but it will definitely bring us some pretty decent winds across the area. And then once we hit into Wednesday, a little bit of a wave develops along that front, so that's going to linger over southeastern Idaho, giving us some more chances of showers and thunderstorms. Maybe even seeing some mixed precipitation making its way into the central mountains, Highland Park areas. And here are some of the wind gusts that we're expecting on Tuesday afternoon. Seeing some particularly strong winds here across the Snake River Plain. Doesn't look like that's going to be quite strong enough to bring some blowing dust across the Interstate 15. But if those wind forecasts, if the wind forecast does change and those winds are a little bit stronger, that might be a factor. But this may also impact your plans if you're planning on going to the American Falls Reservoir. These winds are going to create some rough, choppy waters for you. Taking a look at the rainfall amounts through Thursday, not really seeing too much precipitation throughout the region. Maybe a tenth of an inch or less across most of the southeastern highlands and even up in the central mountains. But once we get into Friday, we might see some more rainfall out of that. But even Thursday and Friday, this is that mountain snow that we're going to be talking about here in this central mountains here. The Stanley Range up there, the Lost River Range, seeing a little bit of snow, probably 2 to 4 inches. So winter's not quite leaving us just yet. So that's going to conclude the briefing. Actually, we're going to recap this week, seeing some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Tuesday, less of a thunderstorm threat, but still looking at some pretty strong winds there on Tuesday. And then towards the end of the week, cooler weather and some snow coming up to the central mountains. That'll be all for the briefing today. If you have any questions, give us a call. You can look us up on our website, send us an email, or check us out on social media. And we'll be talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.